Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to take a brief look at Pharo 3.0, which is in alpha, so it's not really ready for prime time yet. But there are some kind of cool things just in the browser alone that I wanted to point out that are interesting to me at least. This is Pharo 2.0 over here, and you notice they started the trend here of adding little markers over to the sides of packages so you can tell what they are. So this means, I guess, that there are only extensions in here, and this means this is a regular package and whatnot. And you can see the hierarchy over here. In Pharo 3.0, they changed the icons a little bit, and also over here, this becomes a little more obvious, I think, that this is extensions only here. Also up top, notice they added these three meta categories: most viewed classes, work, and last modified classes, which of course, since I haven't done anything in this image, there's nothing going on here to speak of except what was last happening. So most viewed classes happens to be whatever the guy who prepared this image was looking at the time. But in any case, these categories are useful. I can see how in my work in Object Studio I'd really like something like this, because I work in pretty much the same set of classes all the time for the duration of a given project, so that'd be a nice thing to have. So you look down here, and also packages have been expanded out. So if you're familiar with Visualworks or Object Studio and you've seen bundles, or you're familiar with VA Smalltalk and you've seen configuration config maps, this is sort of similar. You have packages that expand out into multiple sub-packages down here. So you can see that they're expanding things out a little bit and making it a little easier to organize things in the browser. So interesting stuff going on in Pharo 3.0. Again, early days for this. It's marked as alpha, so it's probably not completely stable if you're doing work in Pharo, but it's probably worth keeping your eye on. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.